Welcome back, and yeah, roads are a mess out there this morning. Over in Rhinelander, looks like they haven't plowed things just yet. I think I just saw a plow when I was glancing at our sky cam earlier, so they're working on it though. I heard Highway 8, a little bit of a mess this morning as well, so definitely give us some extra time to get that morning commute this morning. I know some schools had delayed this morning as well, so refer to the bottom of your screen or our website for the latest as it does come in from time to time. But otherwise, so here we are. Visibility levels are down at a few spots at around 4 miles in general from Rhinelander over to parts of Merrill, 2.5 miles in Wausau, and just 3/4 of a mile in Medford, where some more of the moderate snow is falling. So this is how far you can see in front of you, so it might be a little bit tricky out there in a few spots this morning. Winter weather advisories do remain in effect. We canceled some of these alerts at 6 o'clock this morning for Portage Wood, Adams County. They are now done. We do have this winter weather advisory remaining in effect for some more counties until about the noon time frame today. Areas to the west lasting until 3 o'clock. And if we go to the northwoods, it'll last a little bit longer until about 6 o'clock tonight, because we'll have some more snow moving in with the wraparound side of our area low pressure that continues to track through. So here's that snow right now continuing to move in. Now we're seeing some more development over Rhinelander, so we're going to add a little bit more before we're all finished up, and even more to the west that'll be moving through as well. So we're not done with this by any means yet, at least here in the northwoods, but not as much expected further down to the south as the system continues to track off towards the east. So here's a big picture here. So the system's stretching right about in here where the warm front is, off where our secondary cold front is located right about in here. So we'll push all this through today and parts of tonight. Then things will start to calm down overnight tonight, which will allow the clouds to break up later on. So futurecast moving forward, there's the snow right there. By around 4 to 5 o'clock, it starts to back off. Then later on tonight, decreasing clouds will be the general idea. So any snowfall will be done well after midnight. The clouds will break up. Then throughout the day for you Tuesday, I think we'll see more sunshine sooner. I think futurecast going a bit aggressive with the clouds, but we will see a good amount of sunshine for the day on Tuesday and a few passing clouds before clouds again moves in as we head towards Wednesday. So we'll be watching more snow moving in later in the week. So any additional snowfall today looks a little bit like this, maybe 1 to 2 inches before we're all finished up, maybe some locally higher amounts in a few spots. So we have a little bit more to get through yet, but not as much expected further down toward the south. Those temperatures right now, all right, so we're in the lower 30s here across the northwoods, middle 30s in Wausau, also in Stevens Point. So some of that snow may also melt with temperatures above freezing and a lot of water in that snow too. With the sun coming out soon, even though it's behind the clouds, it's a lot stronger, so that may allow some of that snow to melt still, as some of that energy will get through. Wind chill values are in the lower 20s in a few spots, so that's what it feels like to your bare skin. This is because we do have wind out there today out of the east at around 5 to 15 miles per hour in a few spots, so helping to blow some of that snow around as well. So your forecast for today looks like this. Snow likely, temperatures in the mid-30s. An additional 1 to 2 inches can't be ruled out, with that northeast wind getting up to about 20 miles per hour. By tonight, here we are, 17 degrees, snow showers early, then decreasing clouds later on. We'll have that northwest wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour in a few spots. And moving ahead towards the Tuesday, upper 30s, a lot calmer, right? Partly cloudy, the northeast wind getting up to about 5 miles per hour. Northwoods Furniture and Mattress, 7-day forecast. Again, we're calm also Wednesday to Thursday, more clouds moving in with temperatures in the middle to upper 30s. More snow Thursday night through the weekend. We'll need to watch out. More accumulations cannot be ruled out, with temperatures again in the upper 20s to lower 30s.